Hello, students. I have come to you with a new topic, another part of speech, the conjunction. You call conjunction संयोजक in Hindi. As the name itself suggests, संयोजक means जोड़ने वाला. Same way, the conjunctions are the words which joins or connects two words or two sentences. Now, the conjunctions are of two kinds. Number one, coordinating conjunction, and number two, subordinating conjunction. Now, first we will talk about coordinating conjunction. Coordinating, as the name suggests, key here are two clauses in a sentence. Then both the clauses work independently. They are not affected by each other. Or you can say the principal clause of the sentence has nothing to do with the another clause. So both have equal weightage. They are of the same rank. अगर हम हिंदी में कहें तो ये वह शब्द होता है जो ऐसे वाक्यों को जोड़ता है जो एक दूसरे पर आश्रित नहीं होते और समान पद वाले होते हैं. इसीलिए कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन को समान पदीय संयोजक भी कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he failed but he did not lose heart. Here, but is used to connect two sentences. The first being he failed, and the second one being he did not lose heart. He came into the room and lay on the sofa. Come in or go out. Here, or या तो आप अंदर आए या बाहर जाएं. Sudhir passed, but his brother failed. So here Sudhir has got nothing to do with his brother. And the same way, he came into the room and lay into the sofa. Both are independent clauses. Coming to room and laying in the sofa. Right. Now, other than but and or, there are some more coordinating conjunctions. For example, therefore, so, yet, either or, neither nor, also, for, otherwise, and many others. Now we will talk about subordinating conjunction. इसे हम आश्रित संयोजक कहते हैं. ये वो शब्द होते हैं जो ऐसे वाक्यों को जोड़ता है, दो ऐसे वाक्यों को जोड़ता है जो एक दूसरे पर आश्रित होते हैं. मतलब कि उनमें एक वाक्य जो होगा वो दूसरे वाक्य पर आश्रित. You can say the principal clause affects the subordinate clause. तो जो क्लॉज प्रभावित होती है वो सबऑर्डिनेट हो जाती है और जो प्रभावित करती है वो प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज हो जाती है. एग्जाम्पल्स बीइंग, he failed because he did not work hard. Because I shall help him if he needs me. If, wait here till I come back. Till, he is handsome. He is as handsome as his father. as. The farmer left for their homes after the sun had set. There are some other coordinating conjunctions like because, if, till, after, before, as, though, although, while, how, that, unless, until, then, since, etc. Well, as far as conjunctions are concerned, there is nothing more in this topic. So, next part is to be done from your side. Here you will come across some exercises. I'll I expect you to first do yourself. I'll send its PDF tomorrow. That's all for the day. Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself.